We are descendants of the African.
Mount Kilimanjaro. Its name means small shiny hill. Located in Tanzania, Mount Kilimanjaro is at the tip of Tanzania, bordering Kenya. As you can see, the border goes right around it. Here's Tanzania in Africa if you didn't know. Kilimanjaro is the highest freestanding mountain in the world at 19,341 feet at its highest peak. It was created by two converging continental crusts, creating volcanoes that uplifted.
We were African before the Arabian. We were African even before Iran. We were African.
Mount Kilimanjaro is comprised of three volcanoes: Kimbo, Mawizini, and Shira, from highest to smallest. Kimbo is a dormant volcano. Here's an aerial view showing the three volcanoes. Urea Peak is the highest. Here's Kimbo in front and Mawinzi in back. So, you think you're ready to hike Kilimanjaro? Well, lucky for us, my friend Josh hiked it last February, and we're going to use his photos to see how we got up to the top. Here he is driving many hours to get there. Looking a lot like Colorado's Front Range, from flat prairie plains to straight uplift mountains. Car ride through the desert, hike in the jungle. Dense vegetation and massive volcanic uplift. World's fourth highest peak. Here's the first base camp just below the clouds. Sweet African volcanic cairn.
We were African before American Indian. We were African even before the Jamaican. We were African. We are descendants of the African children.
Now that's pretty neat. Now we go back to our original shot of above the clouds. Now picture where we are.
We are descendants of the African children. Yes, Africa.
Where's Josh now?
Every man and woman is African.
Here's Josh at another base camp below the summit. As you can see, it's heavily populated. So let's summit Mount Kilimanjaro with Josh.
African before the Australian. We were African before the East Indian.
Josh summited Kilimanjaro with the help from some African guides. In the background is Shira, and on the left-hand side is a glacier.
We were African before the Italian.
Speaking of glaciers, here's a shot from 1993. Due to global warming, here's a shot in 2000.
Ethiopian. We were African before the first Christian.
We summited Mount Kilimanjaro. Now we're going to hike down the backside. Congratulations and thanks to Josh for his amazing photos. Maybe someday I'll have some of my own.
Every man